Kill the devil if I almost in a cliff fall. Cause I'm a nigga tagging up with that same flow. Then they be having to follow me twist my phelps. And my nigga bust like Usain Bolt. Shot that nigga like I was 1,000 pounds now. So I'm gonna be the pound, so I'm gonna bones. And if I gotta come in, I'm gonna float. You know, I'm gonna test with boys, cause I'm popular. Cause I'm in a spot, you know, you can't leave. And I scream if you were to. Damn, I can't breathe. Never heard until you don't bleed. Twist the bleed. I don't know what got you. I gotta ask y'all. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Talk about it with a bunch of people, nigga, saying that I'm a lyrical manifestation of a book. Ain't nothing to regular thoughts, so in a minute, nigga, be talking about me, so what if I gotta get up? Pull up, you gotta be acting ready, check out the rhythm, so I come to that. Coming about ability, every time I get a minute, you're nothing, I'm gonna deliver my masterpiece. I'll be coming with it, you can move with it, and nobody really know how they do it, and I promise I'm putting it out of it, and I'm only gotta be honest, so quality, and I'ma be the one of the guys. Look over here and talk big thing, watch how I'm picking up and keep my money stacked in. Drop a little bit on everybody, never wanna talk, if you want the flow, and never go back in. Where you at, come on, you wanna come and get it if you can't, oh well. I hit it with the pass, and nothing to get you down, and you never enough to get it in 2012. Hitman, every brother shotgun. Look at the conversation, but they don't want none. Some people in the back of the seat from the back of the feet like I want no run. Can you keep up? To be honest, I don't really give a fuck. If you wanna come and get it, you can run, bust up, twist up. What's your motherfucker love for real? The boss of me that I've been working to come up with a long time. Bust up, twist up. Wait a minute, go ahead and I gotta make it on time. Ready and getting used to this and that. Wanna give a fuck cause you know that I'm with it. But if you city, no one niggas from my city to the heat. Gotta let a man come kill it. When you know that I jump on the track if you freaking the way that I do it. Talk around, put it back into it. Get straight to it, never gonna take a West to live. Cause I'm looking at others, how to keep it real. I'm not that it's like banana peel, I'm not what that was, but I'm what that is.
Kept on
had to elevate. I be honest with you, was them niggas that just had to resonate. In the kitchen, clean, Rezzy, bro, say never let them hit me. Gotta get it for my daughter, that shit weighing on me heavy. What's up? That shit weighing on me heavy, like every other man. Looking Q's at the top of follow those who understand. Since a kid, it's what I wanted to be. A great rapper, best father, still selling.